Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have this Xr70r 2003 dirt bike. I have did a couple upgrades to it, which really all it is just handlebars, air filter upgrade, and a carburetor upgrade. That's about it. Yes, I do. I know I have a flat tire. Yeah. So we're gonna be getting that fixed soon. So actually Sunday, I think. But this will be uploaded, I don't know when. But yeah, here it is. I do have my throttle cable hooked up to this brake lever because the throttle cable is too short, but I have another one coming in tomorrow. So there will be another video tomorrow. So I guess I'll start it for y'all. She's a 1 kicker. So, I mean, I guess that's good. Turn it on. Okay, y'all ready? Yeah, I do have to get my my kill switch fixed because it doesn't work. I just turn it on choke and give it throttle, it cuts off fine. I've been riding dirt bikes for a while. I've just never thought about making videos about it until, well, right now. But yeah, it's a work in progress. I'm gonna wash it today, and tomorrow I'll make another video on how everything's going, put the new throttle cable on. I hope the throttle is snappy. If it is, then I'm gonna be so thankful. But yeah, that's about it. That's done this bike. Alright, so I guess I'll catch you on another one.